everyone, it's the Founder's Daughter, and we are in our summer salad series. So come taste summer the Italian way. As the summer is approaching, you get home and you get to open up that patio door and get that grill going, and it's like a whole new season, right? So we're gonna start a whole new season here at Nino's, and I'm going to make a family favorite that everybody loves. So we now are getting in these beautiful heirloom tomatoes. And I was shopping yesterday, getting ready for my segment. I'm like, what are we gonna make? These are so gorgeous. Of course, Caprese salad, right? So heirlooms are not really in season just yet. They are in season in July and September. Well, end of July, starting August, right? So they're still good right now, and the colors are amazing. So let's use them. So we just start with our beautiful tomatoes of all of these colors, and you just build it. You slice them up, build them. You're having company over. That's my favorite, is when I have my company comes over and I put this out and my kids are in the kitchen and there's commotion. I love it. Love summer. So now that our tomatoes are all laid out, we go in with our beautiful, fresh buffalo mozzarella. I like buffalo better than the regular fresh mozzarella. I think it tastes better. And all we do is we just layer these right inside. And this goes amazing with like grilled steaks, chicken kebabs, right? Put it right all together. My kids, half the time I can't even get it finished. They got their fresh, crunchy bread, and then there's a piece on there, right? So simple. I mean, this beautiful basil. And you're just gonna roll that. I like to roll it like that and kind of go in. And just make little slices. That fresh basil, just cutting it, just releases all the beautiful essence of the oil and the basil, and it smells so good. I mean, look at that beautiful salad. We did it in seconds, right? And then we go in and we finish it with this beautiful partana. I love partana olive oils, as you know. This is the organic extra virgin. You just, put a nice coat of that over the top. The color in it is so beautiful. Then we go in and we finish it with this beautiful balsamic from Modena. And it is a DOP. And DOP means it is a designation of origin, and it's the provenance of the country. So in Italy, they're very protective of that. So this is aged 25 years in a barrel, and it's amazing. If you are interested in purchasing it, call one of our locations and we'll tell you how we can get it to you. We have a variety of other ones. So this is a glaze by Zalalo, which is very good. I totally use it all the time. And then we have another one here by Calavita, which is amazing too. And I've actually seen a lot of restaurants use this one, and this one's a really good one too. But if you want to elevate and take it to the next level, this one is sweet. And it's really not as thick as the glazes are, but you can put it on ice cream. It's so sweet. We finish it with our beautiful microgreens, which gives it that totally elevated kind of gourmet look, takes it to the next level, makes it look like you know exactly what you're doing. You take that to a barbecue, how beautiful is that? People are gonna love it. Then, of course, we take our artisan fresh bread that we make here at Nino's. Just put that right on there with this beautiful balsamic. I mean, this is so great to take to a barbecue. People are gonna love it. So this series is all about fresh flavors, simple ingredients, and being effortlessly Italian. Come taste summer the Italian way. So good. The balsamic makes it fantastic. Now all you have to do is make it. All right, for our second part of our amazing summer salad series, we are going to make a cocktail. Now, I was out to dinner with some friends of mine, and I'd never heard of this cocktail before. A friend of mine had ordered it, and it was so fresh and crisp. You guys probably already know it. I didn't, so we're going to make it. It's called a Hugo Spritz with strawberries. I added the strawberries. So we do have a recipe for it. I don't measure, but it's Prosecco. I mean, you know me, I do everything very easy. Some St. Germain's, a little bit of fresh soda water, of course, the yummy strawberry. Look how beautiful that looks. Smells terrific. And of course, for the best part of freshness is we do some fresh mint. And you got to squeeze it because it releases its oil and gives us that flavor. Just put that in there, stir it all up. Look how good that looks. The mint smells so good. Come taste summer the Italian way.